Hey, Mike Foster here. How you guys doing? Hey, we're ready to eat the street again. Today it's DQ, Dairy Queen. Now I did a Dairy Queen. I just did their ice cream, their Blizzard. It was good. Now I'm gonna try their double cheeseburger and fries. Let's see how DQ stacks up. Let's eat the street.
Order whenever you're ready.
I'm ready. Can I have like a double cheeseburger? What's it called? A 2 cheese deluxe? Yeah, can you repeat that? Make sure we got that right.
Yeah, I have the number 5, which is just the 2 cheese deluxe with the 2 patties, and then just the regular fry.
That sounds great. Thank you.
Alright, total's gonna be $9.68 at the window.
Alrighty, thanks. We've got the Dairy Queen. See it? Here, I'll smile for the camera. I know I love you better. All right. Let's see how this baby tastes. The onions are very prevalent from what I can see. But let's take a bite. Oh my God. I think I need a napkin. Here we go. I taste mayo. They put cheddar and American. This is a white cheddar. That's not bad. Cheese is melted. I'd say all in all, it's not a bad burger. I can't taste the burger that much. It's got a lot of things going on. It's not bad. This is not good. This lettuce is wilty, so fresh produce is important. I'm going to give that burger a 6.7. It's not top of the line. It's not complete garbage either. Now here's the fries. They could be warmer, so we're going to say negative on that. And they're okay. They kind of have an aftertaste. Do you agree? They have a little aftertaste, but how can you screw up a French fry? Those get a 6. If you need to drown your fries in fry sauce, that means that the fries should speak for themselves. Okay, there's fry sauce. Now know what these fries taste like? Fry sauce. I'm going to finish this up. DQ, Dairy Queen. I already did one earlier with just their Blizzard, and that was really good. One more bite, just for fun. Bun's a little doughy, but all in all, not bad. I wouldn't put it in my top 5. But I ate the street for you guys, and for me, and for my wife. And for more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube, and keep eating the street. Until next time, peace. I really loved it. Oh.
Live life 365.
You know, I've tried a bunch of places for double cheeseburgers and fries, and let's see how Dairy Q or D Queen. Let's see how Dairy. I'm out of my mind.
No fries.
Sorry, you only want 1 patty?
I want 1 burger with two patties on it and everything. Okay.
Alright, and then did you want that burger in a combo or just by itself?
Just with some fries, no soda. Why the hell was that so difficult? What the heck? Gosh. What in tarnation? Is it me? What the frig? I think it's a double. You saw how difficult it was to order. I mean, it was like, I don't think they've ever heard of it before. It's in a very confined box, but there it is right there. Jury's still out. My wife's trying to be quiet. You can eat, baby. Go out. It takes them. No. Not bad. At least they melted the cheese. There's only one thing left to say. Would you say Sweet Babu for me? Just say it.
Sweet Babu!
She said it. Baba. Well.